Assalamu alaikum and hello students. Welcome to the ChemQuest. Today in this short lecture we are going to study about two features of organic compound. The first one is complexity in organic compound and the second one is isomerism in organic compound in the form of question number 9. So why organic compounds are so complex? Actually organic compounds, these are usually large and complex molecules. The example of one of the organic compound I have given here is starch, and the molecular formula of starch is C6H10O5N. This is one of the units of starch molecule, and N means that there can be several thousand units of this entity. So now you can imagine, if there are several thousand units of this entity, then obviously the molecule of starch would be very complex and very large. Another example is the protein. Protein is also quite complicated molecule, and molecular mass of protein varies from few thousand to millions of atomic mass unit. Proteins, these are also very complex molecules. So why organic compounds are so complex? Because they are usually very large molecule, and in these large molecule the individual entities they are combined in this way, in a way that they form the molecule very complex. Okay, so the second part of the question is isomerism in organic compounds. So what is isomerism? This phenomena is very common in organic compounds. So compounds having same molecular formula, that they will have same molecular formula but different structural formula, we will call these compounds as isomer. That is, the compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula, they are called as isomers, and this phenomena is referred to as isomerism. In order to explain it further, I have given here the example of ethyl alcohol and diethyl ether. So these are the structural formulas of ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether. Sorry, this is dimethyl ether. Maybe I have said diethyl, but this is dimethyl ether, because you can see there are two methyl groups, right? So structural formula you can see of ethyl alcohol is CH3CH2OH, and structural formula of dimethyl ether you can see CH3OCH3. So in this way you can see the position of atoms are different in both the molecule, but if we write it in the form of molecular formula, that is in this form, that how many total number of carbons are here, 2, so it will be C2. How many total numbers of hydrogen, 6, so we will write 8H6, and there is one oxygen, so the overall molecular formula would be C2H6O. And likewise here the molecular formula would be again C2H6O. So these two compounds, these are called as isomers of each other, because they have same molecular formula but different structures. Here the structure is this kind, and here the structure is of this type. I hope that you people have understood. We will meet with another question in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.